Hello everyone and welcome to our website deanspuppies.com. Here is a new litter of miniature Pomeranians. They are teacup or maybe smaller than teacup size. As you see, the mom gave birth to 4 babies. We have 2 females and 2 males. I will try to update this video every 2 weeks. Hopefully when they are ready for their first warmer at the age of 2 weeks, and then at the age of 4 weeks, and finally when they are ready to receive their first vaccine at the age of 6 weeks old. Thanks for watching this video and I wish you the best of luck.